Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
What job do you do? I work as a consultant. I help people with their career and study plans. Do you like your job? Yes, I enjoy my job. It allows me to meet new people. How long have you been working? I have been working for many years. I learn something new every day. What do you like most about your work? I like helping others achieve their dreams. It is very satisfying. Do you work full-time or part-time? I work full-time. It keeps me busy throughout the day. Do you work alone or in a team? I work with a team. Working together makes tasks easier. What skills does your job need? It needs communication and planning skills. Patience is also important. Do you want to change your job in the future? Maybe, if I get a better opportunity. I always want to grow. What time do you start work? I start in the morning. It helps me finish tasks early. Do you take breaks during work? Yes, I take short breaks. They help me stay fresh and active.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.